Iota Xi chapter of Sigma Chi Fraternity versus George Mason University. About the case. Sigma Chi Fraternity and two officers sued George Mason University and several administrators for deprivation of their due process and for freedom of speech. The chapter was sanctioned by the university and revoked from recognition for 10 years after the fraternity had several disciplinary incidents. The officers were also put on academic probation, and other fraternity memberships were monitored to guarantee Sigma Chi members were not re-emerged under a different name. There was a disciplinary hearing for all cases, which allowed the chapter to provide evidence and witnesses. The committee's decision was appealed by the fraternity. However, it was sustained because the fraternity did not provide any evidence at the hearing. Disciplinary actions. On April 4, 1991, the fraternity held an ugly woman contest as a part of their Derby Days. The contest consists of fraternity members dressing up as women and being voted on as the ugliest individual. The event took place in the cafeteria of the student union. One individual portrayed a negative stereotype of a black woman by painting their face black and used pillows to represent breast and buttocks. This gave off racial and sexual stereotype that offended several people in the student union at the time. The court ruling was that the district court agreed with the university's decision to rejected the fraternity's claim. The Fourth Circuit agreed to the district court's decision, but for different reasons. They detained that the university did not prohibit members from joining other fraternal organizations. However, they could not become members of recognized organizations that where they obtained recognition. The appeals court also agreed with the district court and dismissed the claims. All three of the court processes agreed with the university's decision. Because of the proper documentation that the university had, it allowed them to come out with a positive outcome. However, with the lack of the evidence that Sigma Chi provided, they came out with the negative outcome and a bad reputation. The importance in understanding the case and ruling. Understand how to appropriately handle such incidents on campus. Give the other party an opportunity to explain what happened. Know what kind of reaction the other party may have with the outcome, and know what the university is being sued for, what parties should be involved, and the proper documentation that should be provided in court. The impact and how to receive a positive outcome. If you see an individual practicing bad behavior, you must report the behavior to the appropriate administrator. When making disciplinary decisions and actions, it is important to document everything. Just like George Mason University, you should allow the other party an opportunity to speak about the incident and give their side of the story. Be ethical in all actions that you take. Be prepared to approach the media based on whatever decisions or actions are taken. And then here's my references. Thank you.